came in this game like a motherfucking rat. Like I was starving for things I never thought I could have. I give you all I got, now you talk behind my back. I ain't a time philanthropist anymore. What? You came to me like a little child. I brought you up, fed you and gave you all of my time. I taught you all I learned, lended you what I earned. Without me now you ain't even a piece of shit, you turned. Yesterday we were brothers, so now we enemies. I understand I'm no longer, now make my time ain't free. Yesterday we were brothers, so now we enemies. I understand fuck your ego, yeah you've been too greedy. You don't know shit about how to start the game. Not the same level, struggle, sacrifices, pain. Hey yo, ain't no question in the battle is the best. You better not test, I ain't gas, but you the guest. Yes. Wanna snatch my dreams, I'ma be your worst nightmare. Yeah, don't play with fire, holy waters in my head. And I don't care if you do, you don't. Distinguish what I'm saying. Many meanings in my text, but I swear this shit no fiction. I wrote this lines cause it relived a big part of my pain. It would never be the same, nigga, I was still yelling. Yesterday we were brothers, so now we enemies. I understand I'm no longer, now make my time ain't free. Yesterday we were brothers, so now we enemies. I understand fuck your ego. Yesterday we were brothers, so now we enemies. Understand I'm no longer, now man, my time ain't free. Yesterday we were brothers, so now we enemies. Understand fuck your ego, yeah you been too greedy. Yeah.